Hey, welcome back to Crypto Moon Gems. In this video, I'll be walking you through all of the fees associated with your Binance account and how you can save money on every trade. So according to Statista, Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world based on 24-hour trade volume, which amounts to over $17.3 billion. The reasons for their dominance over the market is due to many factors, including their huge list of crypto assets and, importantly, their acceptable fee pricing structure. So the main fees that you will run into on Binance are the fees for depositing or withdrawing fiat to a bank account and the fees for trading. Now, when it comes to depositing fiat currencies such as USD or pounds in order to buy crypto, for example, for the euro, you have the option to deposit money via a bank transfer, which has zero fees, or via a Visa or MasterCard bank card, which has a 1.8% fee associated with it. However, different currencies have different options. If we change the currency to the Hong Kong dollar, there's only the option of a bank card deposit, which has a 3.5% fee. So make sure to check out what funding options are available to you and your location. The next type of fee are the trading fees. So Binance operates with a tiered fee system called VIP levels. These levels are unlocked mainly by your trading volume in the past 30 days or on the amount of BNB you hold, which is the native cryptocurrency for Binance. So for example, if you will be trading with less than 50 BTC a month, then you will be paying 0.1% maker and taker fee. The maker fee is paid when you use limit orders, and the taker fee is taken when you use a market order. Using a limit order adds liquidity, as your order and funds are stuck on the order book until your desired price is reached. So hence, Binance rewards you with a cheaper fee when trading at the next VIP tier. Another way you're able to save on fees is by using BNB to pay for your fees. As we can see that by using BNB to pay fees as opposed to the coin you're trading with, you will receive 25% off of each trade. So instead of paying a fee of 0.1%, you will end up paying 0.075%. The way this works is that you will need to enable this feature by clicking on this button. In most instances, I believe this is automatically enabled. To check if this is enabled, all you need to do is come over to where your email and VIP tier is displayed and click on it. Then scroll down and you can make sure that this is selected. Next, you need to purchase some BNB. You can come over here and search for BNB and select the pair you wish to trade. So if you already have some USDT, then click on BNB against USDT and purchase a small amount of BNB such as $10 or $15 worth. Check out my brief spot trading tutorial where I show you this process step by step. Once you have some BNB, all you have to do is leave it in your wallet, and now every time you trade, you'll be saving 25% by using BNB to pay your fees. Now another way to save 10% on fees is by using my sign up referral link below if you don't already have an account. So if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comment section below and I would love to help. And if you've got any value from this video today, then please leave me a like and consider subscribing for more cryptocurrency tutorials. Until next time, take care and I'll see you in the next one.